I'm about to show you exactly step by step how to create and launch your own coins, right? And after that, remove the liquidity and make a shit ton of money. And I'll even do a live example for y'all to prove that this shit actually works, right? Now, as you can see on screen, bro, when I first started creating my own coins, I went from having $0 inside my Phantom wallet to $17.4 thousand with just 22 meme coin launches. And I launched these coins within just 4 days, right? And eventually, bro, you will get that one meme coin that explodes and that hits these kinds of numbers. But the benefits of launching your own coins is that, first of all, you have nothing to lose, right? So there's no fucking fees like these fucking websites right here, right? It's free money, and you can make these coins within just one click, which I will show you exactly how to do into this video. But now it's time to actually create the coin, right? So first of all, you do not want to use Pump.Fun to make your coins, because if you don't know, bro, it's too saturated. Too many coins are being created by the second on the Pump.Fun dex, and you have to be making coins on the raydium dex, right? Because the raydium dex will make you get a much higher market cap. So there's more eyeballs, which equals more buyers, which equals more money inside your pocket. Now, for example, if I go my photon and I select the raydium dex, you can see that the market caps are extremely high. So 100 million, 7 million, 6 billion, 30,000, 50,000, 1 million, 174,000. And if I go on the Pump.Fun dex, the market caps are extremely low. So 20,000, 20,000, 30,000, 17,000. That's ass, right? You have to be making coins on the raydium dex if you actually want to make some money. Now, to make coins on the raydium dex, bro, we're going to use launch token.fun. Because first of all, you can make coins with no volume required, right? And you can launch them within seconds. And bro, you can even create your coins manually right here. So for example, if Elon Musk or Trump tweets, right, you can make a meme coin on the tweet by putting in the token name, token symbol, and the token image. And you can come and create it, then, you know, make it liquidity. Or if you're lazy like me and you want to make money really quick and you want to make small gains, like a couple hundred, even a couple $1,000, right? Well, you can come to the copy trading coins feature, right? And you can duplicate any coin here, because every single coin here is filtered out to make you some money, right? So they're all pumping, they're all trending on Pump.Fun, right? And by duplicating these coins, you're putting all the odds in your favor to make some money. Now, for example, if I wanted to duplicate, I would do the shadow coin right here, okay? Why? It has 224 replies and it has $20,000 in market cap. So I'm going to create this coin because it actually looks good. I'm going to go into my Phantom wallet and, bro, and then do proceed anyway. There will be a little tiny fee, but bro, it's 0.00009 Solana. Like, bro, that's nothing, right? And then do confirm. I understand, confirm. And then your coin is being created. Okay, boom, it's created. Now copy a token address, click on create liquidity pool, and then select your coin. Here, select your Solana balance. Here, click on max, because we're going to give away 1 billion coins in liquidity out to the public. And here, and the amount token B right here is actually the amount of liquidity that you're buying in with your own money. Now, you won't be losing this money because you will be the first buyer inside your coin. So this money will be yours, okay? Once you remove the liquidity, it will come back inside your wallet because, yeah, as you can see here, there is nothing to lose, right? So you can put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Solana. I'll just put 0.5 because that's what I'm comfortable with. Then do create liquidity pool. And then do confirm. Then do refresh. Okay, popped up as you can see. Now click on view on photon. Another coin is live. It is being traded at the moment. It pumped up just a little bit. So if I go to transactions, as you can see, buyers are coming in. Okay, it's pumping, it's pumping. Shit is pumping, the coin is pumping. Okay, now it's a good time to remove the liquidity. So come back to launch token.fun, click on the minus button, do 100% remove the liquidity. Come on, go fucking fast. Then do confirm. And boom, you just remove the liquidity, and that's how you make some money. Yo, I had to act quick because so many people were buying in. I had to take out all the money. So that's exactly how you make a shit ton of money by launching coins, where you can make so much money. You can repeat this process like fucking 5 times a day and make a shit ton of money, bro. And yeah,